If you're like me, you've most likely been trying to find the balance, fade, and equalizer on the Chevy Traverse. It's not very easy to find, but I have found it. People think it's in settings under sounds, which makes a lot of sense to people, but this is just for the volume. In order to change the equalizer, balance, and fade, you have to go into, it might be called music on your car, but here it's called audio. And you'll notice there's this settings gear here. This is where you can change it. Go to sound, you can change, you can equalize here, fade here. Left, right, up, down. This is how you do it. I needed this forever. I've had this car for about a month now and just found this. I hope this helps and have a great day.